Hi, in today's video I'm going to share with you a really great facial routine, a 2-minute view routine to really help lift up the face naturally. So first things first, you want to start off with clean skin, obviously clean fingers, and again really important to use a really great facial oil just so you've got a slip and glide, so you're not compromising the skin by dragging or pulling at it. And of course, being the Kinship Skin channel, I've got my facial oil here. Whatever you apply to the skin is going to penetrate in better and deeper, so it's really important if you can possibly get something which is organic and natural, without, because whatever you apply to your skin is going to penetrate in better and deeper, so you don't want to be applying anything really which is sort of synthetic, if you like. So I'm just applying all along the facial area and not forgetting the forehead. Nice and light. So we're going to start off with the collarbone just above. We've got some indentations and you just want to give those a few gentle presses. Now this is opening up literally the lymphatic gateway. So we end up with sort of toxins and waste within the neck and also the facial area. So this is actually removing the toxins and waste, which will also help more glowing skin. And then with the fingers starting in an upwards motion, nice and light, from the collarbone towards the ears. And then slowly working our way all along the neck area. Again towards the other ear. And again, because you've applied a really great facial oil, it's really going to feel nice and smooth and you're not dragging. And then with the fingers, just really a lovely light flicking motion, upwards motion, really getting blood flow and circulation to the area. And then thumb placed under the chin, fingers as a hook. Let's just glide along the jawline now. This is one of my favourite moves because we have plenty of lymph nodes in this area. And if it gets a little bit stagnant, you can also end up with that sort of chin, sort of more like a double chin. And this will really sharpen everything up, literally. Working towards those ears. And then lifting up and across, nice and light. Lower part of the face. Not forgetting above the lips. And then where the cheekbones are, either side of the nose, you want to come along and then really glide under that cheekbone area. This will end up with a really nice, more defined cheekbone. So let's do a little exercise for the lower part of the face here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our lips and we're going to place them behind our teeth, and we're literally going to be twitching our cheekbone area in a slightly upwards and outwards motion. This will strengthen the cheekbone area and lift everything up from the lower part of the face. So lips behind the teeth. And then we can do that. So let's do it 8 times. And release. You want to, I would really recommend doing this whilst you're looking in a mirror as well, so you can see that you've got the correct form. If you are finding you're getting lines and wrinkles whilst you're doing this by tensing, you can always place your hands nearby your temples and the side of the cheekbone area. Let's do this again for 8. And release. So now let's work onto the forehead area here, upwards motion, nice, light and gentle. Working against any of those vertical lines. And then just gliding nice and lightly towards the temples. And then just leave a real nice gentle massage on the temple one way and then the other way. By doing this, we're also calming down the nervous system here. And then with the ring finger, because we have a lighter touch just under the eyes, again we're pushing everything outwards and slightly upwards, also helping a puffiness of any eyes. and then just gliding down from the temples, side of the ears, we have plenty of lymph nodes, and then behind the ears. Again, plenty of lymph nodes here. And then just taking the fingers, massaging all along the bottom of the head, top of the neck. And then when the fingers are touching, one hand at a time, just gliding down the big SCM muscle. Really nice, gentle massage here. And then from the chin all the way down, literally our beginning position, just above we've got those indentations. And if you can just give those a few gentle presses, this will release all the toxins and waste we've moved within the facial area, which will also help with glowing skin. We've strengthened those muscles as well to lift up the lower part of the face. So the toxins and waste are now going into the body, ready for elimination. So please comment down below, tell me how you found today's video, and I would kind of recommend doing it maybe 3 or 4 times a week. And also, if you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Okay, bye.